Notan is a Japanese word for the balance between light and dark, and it's also the word used to describe a kind of paper cutting art developed in Japan. So this is an example of a Notan design, and it's cut paper and the shapes in black are flipped out onto the white background to create positive and negative space. Also, there's a lot of symmetry. So I'm going to show you how to create one of these Notan designs. So I have this square of black paper and it's cut 5 inches by 5 inches. It could really be whatever size you want. And I'm going to draw some shapes on each side of the square. On the top and bottom, I'm just going to do one shape. And on the sides, I'm going to do double parallel lines to show you how you can make it a little bit more complex. So I'm just going to do a simple semicircle. Here, I might do an organic shape and then do that twice. This one I'm just going to do, oh, my pencil broke. A rectangle. And then I'm going to do something a little bit more tricky over here. Okay, once I have my shapes drawn, I'm going to cut them out. Notice how my scissors are pointing forward and my left hand, or my turning hand, is turning the paper. Okay, I have all of my shapes cut out. I now want to glue down my middle piece. So I think, yeah, I'm going to put the glue on this side where I can see my pencil lines. And you can always erase the pencil lines after. So putting my glue on the back. And flipping it over. Now it's going to be kind of like making a puzzle. So I'm going to take my shapes and try to fit them inside to make a puzzle. And now is the really cool part. You ready? So I'm going to put the glue on the top of this piece. And then I'm going to flip it symmetrically so that line stays the same. So I can see my positive space, which is this object itself, and the negative space, which is the space that is left behind. Now I'm going to put glue on this shape, which is closest to the inside of my paper. Flip that out symmetrically. And now I have this piece that I'm going to put in here like a puzzle piece, put glue on the top, but now flip it back in. So you can see how this is a little bit more complicated than this one. You could even take it a step farther and have another shape cut into this that then flips back into the negative space, so your call. I'm going to finish gluing the rest of these down. Okay, now I'm going to write my name. And I'm all done.